Guys, it has been a horrible night, that's for sure. You have a chance to win. Go.
Hey everyone, welcome to another video. This week at Challenge Night, the big boss was out. So essentially, they let the inmates run the asylum, and we got to decide what we wanted to do. So we decided on the old classic Joker laps with some heads-up racing, and we decided to do the old Supercross style point system that we did recently that we really liked. It wasn't one giant race like we did last time where we had like 17 people in it. We split it into 2 different ones. So really liked the format, but with that said, this night for me sucked. This was one of the worst nights I have had in a long time. My first race, my kart died pretty much halfway through. So that was just a wash. I was already in last place. The next race thought was going pretty well. Thought I was doing okay. Then the end of the race, nightmare. So you'll see that one. Now with that said, plenty of exciting things still happen. I think there's a lot of funny things, especially if you enjoy my misery. The end of the night was one of the craziest situations that I've seen in a while. A lot of split-second decisions that really mattered. I'll pop back in and explain that after we finish the final race. But yeah, let's get into it.
We're back for race 2. Boy, race 1 was so bad, I am probably not even going to edit it. Kart died very badly. It was just a nightmare overall. So hopefully this one goes a lot better than what just happened. Otherwise, I am going to be in trouble for the overall point scoring. That is for sure. We got to get on the inside. Come on, Dave. Come on, Dave. Come on, Dave. Okay, back again. 2 Joker laps. Oh boy, Dave, I could see that was a late adjustment from you. I feel like you were gonna take it until that guy took it right in front of you. So I understand. It just made it a little bit of a hairy situation for us. Oh boy, that was funny. Okay, here we go. So I probably finished either last or second last in the first one, which for our Supercross scoring format that I presume we're still doing is not great. So I'm gonna need good finishes for these last couple races to even have a chance. That is for sure. The good news is in the warm-ups, I was the fastest person on this layout. So like there is potential. I'm probably going to have to pass Dave here in a second on a Joker lap, I have a feeling. Give you a little tap there, Jackson. I feel like you're going to take one right now, Jackson. All right, never mind. We'll just go this way. I will take that. I don't know why he didn't just, like, take the Joker. I think he got to the guys inside and was like, you know what, I'm just going to not take it. But I will take it. I will gladly take it in that scenario. All right, we got some work to do, though. Started 6th. Yep, that's what I thought. I wasn't pushing you through turns, Jackson. Come on. Okay. I mean, we're definitely catching these guys. Oh, guys, what? Oh my god, dude, come on, bro. Oh my god, come on. Oh, the seatbelt's gonna be a problem. All right, back for race 3. It has been a horrible night, that's for sure. We'll see how this goes, but I've all but given up my hope on actually winning the races, so let's just try to have some fun, and maybe some fun things will happen. Let's go, Jeff, let's go. Oh my goodness, that was close. Wow, okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, brother, okay. All right, okay. We all survived. I should have taken one, like, immediately. Ow! Because it is really hard to pass on this course. If I have not mentioned that before. It is really hard to pass on this course. Frick! Bro! I did not expect you to take that. I should have just immediately ducked out. Alright, we're going to have to stick our nose in here a second. Somewhere. We're going this way then. I tried. I tried to stick my nose in, didn't work. All right, here we go. We got some open space. My seatbelt is about in my throat. Things are going. It's a nightmare. It's an absolute nightmare, people. Okay. This might be one of the worst nights we've had in a long time. That's for sure. I am in pain. Okay. I'm in actual pain tonight. Okay. Okay, I think I have carved out enough of a lead if they do take the Joker that I'm okay. This thing has no traction. I am sliding around every turn. Okay, so that means we got to adjust it a little bit. We got to adjust the strategy a little bit. We have to become our inner a Tokyo Drift. That's what we have to do. We have to embrace the slip angle and drift around, do just a little bit of drift around corners. But we're definitely catching him. Not sure we're going to be able to pass him. Because for one, I still have to catch him, and two, as I mentioned before, extremely hard to pass on this course. Okay, well, we have caught him. That's step one. That's step one. Step one, we have caught him. Don't have enough of a run to do any kind of diving there. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to pass, but that's okay. It's all right. I'm not gonna push you or anything. There we go. Good race, good race. Hey, we didn't get completely demolished that time. We one for three. 1 for 3, boys. We did it. It stinks. All right, back for race 4. Tonight has been a nightmare. Now let's see how this goes. Oh boy, it's been a tough one. That's for sure, boys. Okay. Yep, it's been tough. Okay, yep, thank you. Okay. Oh boy, yeah. It has been a tough one. Wow. Wow. Okay, great. Good. Good. I had this kart in race 2 and I did not like it very much. We'll see if it's any better this time. All right, brother. Bro! Well, someone gave me a little tamperoo. That's okay. That's okay. Now we have open space. This is exactly what we want. We want some open space, brother. We're gonna need it to figure out the best way to drive this kart. Okay. I had a feeling he was gonna take a joker there. I just had a feeling. That's what I was checking up. I was waiting to react to see if he was gonna take it. And he did. So that's good. Okay. Oh boy, I'll tell you what. Sometimes, you know, you have some tough nights, but you learn lessons. You know, you learn things. It's still been a fun time. You know, just a little bit of anger. You know, just a little bit of anger is good. You can have some every now and then, and that's fine. You know, as long as you don't hold on to it. You know, you get over things. It's just a random rental kart league night. You know, and we get over things. You know, we get over things. It'll be okay. Perfect. Okay. How many laps are left? 5 laps? Okay, we are not taking these jokers anytime soon. That is for sure. We're just gonna chill in the old back here and hope that our times are the best. But I have a feeling it's not the case. Oh boy, this sucker's shaking in those turns. Oh boy. I'll be happy when tonight's over and I get to go home and eat tacos. That's what I'm gonna say. All right, we gotta take one. We'll take one like right now, I guess. Okay. One more lap. That's what I thought. Okay. Maybe we can get third in this. Who knows? Who knows? Oh boy, the lack of traction is real tough right now. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Oh my God. Get in there, buddy. I have no chance to win. You have a chance to win. No, go.
So yeah, what a crazy situation at the end there. I really thought about turning him. In fact, you can even pinpoint the moment that my brain goes from I'm going to turn him to I have a better idea. Because my car, I hit those brakes so hard I start to slide a little bit. You can pinpoint it. And I really had a genius idea. I'm like, I'm just gonna let Clay go in front of me. He will outright win if I just let him go in front of me. And then I couldn't have predicted what happened. He's just like, just go. And I'm like, no, you need to go. And we're both trying to let the other one win. And we rolled across the finish line at basically the same time. I still think he crossed before me, but officially they said he crossed like 0.01 behind me. Just an absolute crazy situation. In hindsight, I just wish I turned Jackson, that's for sure. But at any rate, if you like what you saw, make sure you give me a little like, a little comment, a little subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. Have a really interesting video coming next. It's gonna be something, I'll tell you that, so you don't want to miss that one. But anyways, do what you want. Have a good one.